What does it mean to represent? It means embracing your culture, knowing your history, inspiring others. It means telling your story.
This lets the world know that you're my girl.
Making a difference, staying woke.
This is a way of humanizing these victims.
It means being proud of where you come from, loving your family.
I'm so proud of you.
Having faith.
When God bless you, He's supposed to bless others, and that's what I do.
It means speaking your truth, expressing your rhythm, pursuing your dreams.
I knew that this was my destiny.
And finding your passion.
We have always been on the front lines of change.
We are representing what has been missing.
We have the ability to shift the balance of power.
Yeah, I'm a unicorn. I'm the last black unicorn.
When we set our differences aside, we can achieve the extraordinary.
The room is so black and so beautiful.